Hello everyone, I'm now in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam and I'm at the Renaissance Riverside Hotel Saigon. I've just checked in room 1815. Okay, to be honest, I'm here for work, but then I take advantage of their point savers with cash offer. So I pay basically the rate for like a deluxe room and then use 30,000 points for 2 nights and upgrade to the deluxe suite in the club level. So I'm going to do a quick room tour so you can see it's definitely spacious. It's a Renaissance, it's not ultra luxury, but it's pretty good for like a 2-night work stay, especially with the club facilities and everything. So basically they have the kettle, but they do not have the coffee maker or machine, but they do have the wine glasses and mugs. They have a fridge. It's not a mini bar, so it's a mini fridge. And then also got tea or coffee, tea mug, yep. Okay, so on this side, this is the living room area. What is interesting is they have the butler service. They call them navigator and with the name and phone number. So if I need anything, he will be of help. The television here, and then a small dining table, and then this is the view. It may not be what you expect of a river view because of the color, maybe due to the season, but this is the river view of the river, which is still very pleasing. So at night it should be quite nice. And this is the work desk area that I can do some work, and they do have quite a lot of amenities which I'm going to experience and report back. And then there's a powder room for guests. Is, as I say, it's not ultra luxury, but it's comfortable. And then this side is a separate bedroom. So a very good size king size bed. And then also waking up with the river view. And here there is the safe deposit box and the slippers, as well as the bathrobe, iron and iron board. So everything is here. Oh, as well as the Panasonic hair dryer. And then this is the bathroom, single sink with the bathtub. And this is the amenities. And then with the shower. So basically it's very good with the offer that I pay for the deluxe room rate, and then use my 30,000 points with point saver with cash and get this deluxe suite on the club floor for my work 2 days here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.